Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Hi.
You play sports? Volleyball, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know, like, you can tell when people play volleyball or something like that.
Yeah? How can you tell?
Well, you have shirts.
Yeah.
Most of the, yeah. Yeah, most of the girls, they like, for example, the volleyball girls, they just like to show their legs.
No.
Well, that's like a stereotype or something. Like,
Yeah,
most
yeah,
of them, that's what they do.
Yeah.
Yeah. How was your day?
It was good. How was your day?
Eh,
Yeah?
normal.
Okay. Okay.
Normal.
What nationality are you?
Argentina?
Oh.
Yeah, but I'm mixed.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, so my mom, she's from Guatemala, and my dad, he's from Argentina. And I was raised in Argentina.
Oh, that's cool. I
Yeah.
didn't know.
Well, yeah. What about you?
I'm Scandinavian and black.
Canadian?
Scandinavian.
Where are they from? From Russia? Like close to Russia?
That's like Swedish and Danish.
Oh, okay, nice.
Yeah.
I have a lot of friends from Sweden.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, most of them are blonde.
Yeah, well, my mom's blonde.
Your mom is blonde?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, what part? So, because they have their own language, right? And most of them, they know how to speak like Croatian?
Yeah, like Danish people, yeah.
Yeah. I was planning to go there. What I know about Sweden is that they have, like, you know, the cuckoos, the flags?
Yeah.
With the cuckoos with the little birds on it.
Really?
And then, what else? Because I play soccer, so they have this guy, Zlatan Ibrahimovic.
Okay.
He's really good. What else? Well, most of them smoke. I don't know if your mom smokes.
No, she doesn't.
Okay, that's good.
A lot of them drink too.
Yeah, most of them, they're
Drink a lot.
super. Yeah, it's crazy, man. What about you? Hopefully you don't drink.
I do not drink.
You don't drink? Oh, that's good, you see?
Yeah.
Maybe
You
because...
drink?
No, I don't drink. Maybe because you play sports.
Yeah, definitely.
That's why then. You're going that way?
Yeah, I'm going to my car over here.
Oh, nice, I'm going that way.
Okay.
Yeah,
Cool, it was
to the
nice
left.
talking to you.
Yeah, I know, like... You just, like... Your shirt caught my attention to that, bro.
Okay.
Yeah. Bye. What was your name again? Okay.